This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Hathaway. Gorgeous two-story nestled in back of sought-after Wellington in Western Branch. Living room/office, dining room, family room, kitchen with breakfast area and stainless steel appliances, laundry room, prime areas, 2 walk-in closets, dual sinks and soaking tub. Deck overlooking beautiful fenced backyard. New roof, new water heater, new carpet, finished garage space with 2-story shelving. This home has it all and curb appeal for days. Short distance to interstates, shopping and military installations. Most important, no HOA fees. For more information, review the details below or contact Hathaway at 757-488-4600.